Welcome to AU Scanners. In this video you will see the Vident i730AU and its vehicle make coverage including Holden, AU, Ford, BMW, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Toyota and many more. The i730AU is capable of doing tasks from basic diagnostics like reading and clearing fault codes, reading live data, all the way to advanced diagnostics and programming like ABS bleeding, battery matching, steering angle sensor calibration, injector coding, gear learning, odometer calibration, DPF regeneration, BCM linking, key programming and much more. Functions are vehicle specific and may not be available on all vehicles covered. Please contact us for more information. For more options and information, please head over to our website at www.auscanners.com.au. Please consider subscribing to our channel to keep up to date with all your scan tool and diagnostic needs.